Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you some great back-to-school speaker deals from AliExpress. Now all of these speakers you can get from AliExpress. I'll throw the links up in the description, and I'll also show you the product page. Now check this out. You can use code ALLONAE and save $20 on all orders over $100. I repeat, you can save 20 bucks on all orders over $100 using code ALLONAE. I'll leave that up in the description. Now also, certain products are going to have individual coupon codes for even more savings, but listen to this. From August 21st to August 28th, some products are going to be up to 50% off. This is a huge promotion. Now, I'm not going to do a full in-depth review on each of these products because some of them I actually already reviewed. I'm just going to show you how they look, show you how they sound, and keep it moving. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first up, we got the Blitzwolf 30-watt wireless speaker. Now, you can pick this up from AliExpress. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $21.41. I repeat, $21.41. Now, one of the things that I like about AliExpress, the shipping. You're getting free shipping, and it usually delivers between 5 and 9 days. Now, check this out. For $21, this is what you're getting. 30 watts powerful, stunning bass, Bluetooth 5.0, true wireless stereo. That means you can pair two of these up together wirelessly. You got different EQ modes. It's IPX6 waterproof, superior endurance, great battery life, and it features multiple connections. $21.41. Now keep this in mind. Remember, you're getting $20 off all orders over $100. So this is kind of like back to school shopping, but this is also Christmas shopping. If you buy 5 of these, okay, you're going to get 20 bucks off. You're basically getting one free. This is a great deal. Now check this out. Here's the speaker itself. Like I said, I'm just going to run through this quick. Got all your buttons on the top. Okay, look at this. Now I got it paired up to my phone. Watch this. What's the weather for today?
Expect cloudy skies today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 80 degrees, with overnight lows around 71.
On the back, you got a little slot right here since it is water resistant. USB Type-C charging. Okay, you got a micro SD card slot so you can play music directly from your card. 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. Okay, has a little slot right here for the lanyard that does come with it. It comes with a 3.5 cable and a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Now the top, here's all your buttons. Okay, you got your play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, volume up and down, your mode button, the switch between TF card and Bluetooth, your power button, and this also has a built-in speakerphone. On the bottom, 4 rubber stoppers. Let's play some music. Watch this. $21. $21.41. If you got kids going back to school, my daughter's going back to college, 2 of these for 40 bucks, I would actually buy maybe 6 of these. Give 2 to my daughter, maybe give 2 to another friend, and have 2 in the house ready for Christmas. All right, Secret Santa, all right, stocking stuffers. This is around the best time to start shopping. $21.41. This is an absolute steal. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Mifa WildRod. Now, this one is going to run you $86.89. Now, remember, if you use code ALLONAE, you're going to save $20 on all orders over $100. But also, like I said earlier, this one has an individual coupon code, so you save an extra $5. Now, you see me review Mifa speakers before. Let's go through some of the features. This one, you can pair up to 100 speakers together. It's Bluetooth 5.3. It's water resistant. You got 3D surround sound, extra bass mode, RGB lights. This is crazy. Okay, now look at this right here. Mifa branded on the front. Look at those RGB lights in the radiators. Okay, comes with the little carrying strap. Got a USB Type-C charger on the back. Since it is water resistant, you got the little flap, micro SD card slot so you can play music right from your card, and USB Type-C charging. Here's all your controls. Let's do a little sound test. We'll hit play. Look at those lights. Let's get some volume on this. This is sick. Okay, 89 bucks on this with the $5 coupon. This is a win. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the JBL Flip 6. Now, this is one of my favorite portable Bluetooth speakers. I did a full in-depth review on this one already. I'll leave a link for that right there. But this one is going to run you 89 bucks. Okay, 89 bucks. Now, let's go through the features real quick. Bluetooth version 5.1, battery life 12 hours. It features JBL Party Boost, so you can pair two of these up together wirelessly. It's IP67 dust and water resistant. Okay, JBL Flip 6. Let's play some music. Okay, now this one does come with your USB Type-C charging cable. Got all your buttons on the top. Okay, and if you watch my channel, you see me do the baby crying test with my JBL speaker all the time. Let's pair two of these together real quick. All right, so here we go. Both of the JBL Flip 6s paired together. $89 on this one. This is a go. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Tribit StormBox Pro. Now, this one is going to run you $117 with a $20 coupon. Okay, so $117.39. Use the coupon. You're going to save an extra $20. And remember, all orders over $100, you save an additional $20. So this is major savings. All right, so let's go through the features. IPX7 waterproof. You got a built-in mic for hands-free calls, USB Type-C charging, Bluetooth 5.3, 30 hours playtime, and wireless pairing. All right, Tribit StormBox Pro. Now, it does come with USB Type-C charging cable. You got your play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, volume up and down, extra bass. Okay, let's see, flap on the back. Now this is going to be for a little charging. Let's see if I can open this up. All right, you got a USB-A out, so you can use this as a portable battery charger, USB Type-C charging. And again, it is waterproof. Close that flap. I'm going to turn off extra bass first. Let's hit play on the music and test it out. Let's hit that extra bass. Okay, this is the Tribit StormBox Pro. This is a beast right here. And remember, don't forget to clip that $20 off coupon. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the big boy, the Tribit StormBox Blast. Now, if you watch my channel, I did 2 separate videos on this already. I love this speaker. Okay, I'll leave the links for them right here. I did an in-depth review, and then I did a comparison with this versus a $500 JBL Boombox 3, and this was able to hold its own. This is an absolute beast. Check out the price. This one's going to be $218.24. Okay, remember, use code ALLONAE. You're going to save $20 off that order of $100, and you got a coupon code for an additional $20.60 off. Major savings. Okay, let's go through the features real quick. You get an extra bass. It features the Tribit app, Bluetooth 5.3, colossal sound, beat-driven LEDs. It's IPX7 water resistant. You got customizable EQ settings, and the battery life is 30 hours. This is a monster. Let's unbox it. All right, so here's a quick look at the speaker. Now, of course, it does come with the plug. You got a nice carrying handle on the top with a little Tribit logo. You got your power button, Bluetooth, play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, your RGB lights, and extra bass. Now, you do have RGB lights on the sides and on the inside. And if you flip the speaker around, here's the back. Open this up. There's your plug input, USB Type-C charging, and you got a 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. All right, so let's do a little sound test. This is a monster right here. I'm going to start with extra bass turned off. Here we go. That bass. Do one more. Look at this. right, so these are some amazing speaker deals from AliExpress. Now, just because I said back to school, that's just one idea. Remember, you can start stocking up for the holidays, for birthdays, and y'all know my motto, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself, get some for yourself. Don't forget to use code ALLONAE and save $20 on all orders over $100. Don't forget to check for those coupon codes. And most importantly, from August 21st to August 28th, some of these products are going to be up to 50% off. This is some huge savings. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.